Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw green coconut for kids. So let's get started. At first, draw a bent line like this. Downside, make a opposite bent line. Now join end like this. From here, draw a wave line like this. Now draw another wave line. Now join two lines like this. From here, draw a bent line, go up and then go down and join like this. Draw another bent line in down and go up and then join like this. Draw two bent lines up and join. Same down side, you draw two bent line and join both like this. Our drawing is ready for coloring. I'm using light green. I am using light green here very lightly. Now I am using brown. Now I am blending two colors, brown with ochre yellow. For the shading, I am using light brown. Now I am using deep green for shading. At last I am using deep blue for shading. Now I am using black for shading. Our drawing is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For video notification, press the bell icon. Join me in my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. See you in my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.